Hi friends, welcome to Unicad Design. I hope all are doing good. In this video, I will explain offset command. This video is specially made for beginners. If you are an experienced in CAD, you will learn some advanced features of offset command in this video. Stay with me till the end. Where do we use offset command? We can use offset command to offset a polylines like rectangles, circles and custom shapes. If you are using offset command to offset a single line, it is better to use copy command instead of offset. How to select offset command? From Home tab Modify panel, click on this symbol to select offset command. And also use O as a shortcut to select offset command. After selecting the command, it will ask us to specify offset distance. I will give it as 1 here. And now it will ask us to select the offset object. I will select this line. Now we need to specify the offset direction by moving our cursor right or left or top or bottom. So I will click here and press enter or exit to finish the command, or press cancel or undo to undo the command. Like this. I will click enter to finish the command. This is our simple offset command. In offset command, we are having additional 3 more options. First one is a through, second one is erase, third one is layer. First I will go with the through options. Directly click on that or type T enter to select through option. This will use to create an offset line if you don't know the exact offset distance. So now it will asking us to select object to offset. I will select this line. Now it will ask us to specify a through point. I will click this point. Now the selected line is successfully offsetted and click enter to exit the command. Second one is erase. By this option, we can erase the source object. Directly click on that. It will ask us erase source object after offsetting. If you click on yes, it will erase the source object. If you click on no, it won't erase the source object. So I am clicking on yes. Now it will ask us to specify the offset distance. I will click on enter. Now it will ask us to select the object to offset. I will select this line and offset distance. I will specify directly on the screen. Now the source object is erased. Click enter to finish the command. Third one is layer. By this we can assign the layer to the created object. Now I will check this line layer. It is a wall and I will check the current layer. It is also wall. Now I will change it to 0. Now I will go to offset. Click on layer here and I will click on current. Now I will click enter here. Select the offset object and offset distance. Click enter. Now the new line is created at a layer 0. Like this we can assign the new layers to the created object. And also we can create multiple offset line in offset command. Select the command and specify the offset distance and select the offset object. Here we will get 3 options. First one is exit, second one is multiple, third one is undo. If you click on exit, command will exit automatically. If you click on undo, it will delete the previous offset line. Now I am creating multiple, so I am clicking on here. Like this we can create a multiple offset line in a both directions. Like this. And click enter to exit the command. This is the brief explanation of offset command.
Hit like and subscribe button for more videos on AutoCAD.